It's A or D.
It's A or D.
Yeah, and I think it's D.
Why not C?
C?
Yeah, why not? You see that C is wrong, but I need to know why. Now let's find the conclusion. He said which suggests. What is which exactly? In the last sentence. Comparison with the altered showed no difference in flowering. So add this is temperature, but at 27, the unmodified plants, unmodified, exhibited accelerated flowering. While, look, accelerated while the what? While the altered ones did not what? That is mean this is protein responded to increased temperature. Feel it? One here, this is one exhibited accelerated flowering, the unmodified one. How about the altered one? If it responded or not? It responded. Feel it?
Yes.
Now let's try the next. Here complete again. Be careful therefore.
Is it A?
It can be, but I said therefore based on the facts. Look. And here the writer mentioned conditions such as the opacity of the air and line of sight. This is related to the environmental circumstances, not about easier to produce or maintain. You catch it? That's why I always tell you, be careful about cause and the effect. The cause is here. So did we mention about something easy to produce or difficult? No. Did we mention that could be used for more than purposes?
No.
Enable the communications that didn't require knowledge. I'm not talking about the knowledge of. He mentioned here Morse as emphasized information to you usually in form of all the time. Feel it? So
Yes.
we need to have technology not constrained, not limited, not disadvantages by environmental circumstances, as it happens these days, right? In a way. All right, so this correct. Now the next is the main idea. As you know, focus on the first sentence and last sentence. We need to read all. Let me help here. Let's find ideas not mentioned. Because of a new technology, researchers can locate and recover. Then they could in the past. He mentioned that. He said here, can pinpoint which Chinese kilns produced ceramic. We're not talking about the location and the recovering. More shipwrecks again. So idea is not mentioned there. So it is wrong. Researchers have been able to identify the locations in operations. It was mentioned. Or he mentioned at the beginning they didn't. Feel it? Because
Yes.
it's using this one in the modern times. So that they were not able to pass. Letter C with the help of a special tool. This could be the special tool. Researchers have determined the likely origin, yes, which Chinese produced, recovered from, yeah, this is could be. And so using, look for this is when we have a trap. And this is trap, it's called the chronology, the time. Before the invention of portable X-ray, they needed to take a small out to analyze. He didn't mention that here. He said using the X-ray. That means after discovery, after after the invention of X-ray, not before. So before the invention, he didn't mention anything that they needed to take a small. Feel it? So this means one not supporting the text. So letter C it is correct. So it means the original balls is a paraphrasing about this one. So always focus on that about what concluded exactly. What is the problem? What did they do? And what is the conclusion? Yeah. Here using it tells you about the method of the experiment. How did you use it? What did you use? What are the steps? What happened exactly? And then the conclusion after pinpoint. So we always focus on the conclusion exactly. Now let's go to the next. Straight the plane. Try. Let me help. He said here, this is what is aware of. This is the client. She is aware of the intensity of her grief, sadness, but believes to be justified. Justified as no, there are reasons behind that. So we need 2 points to express intensity of her grief and the reasons at the same time. Which one tells you that? He said here in this part, I know my own passion, so I know. It escapes me not. You see, it means it does not escape me. So I know it. Seeing that the causes are so dire, the causes just to be fine. Will never curb these frenzied planes. Wildlife is in me. So we have 2 points. The other one does not cover the claim. Look for letter D, for example, but never I will cease from dirge and sore lament. So she expresses the grief, but doesn't know that she's aware. I look on the trembling rays of the bright stars, or in this light of day. She explains the action, but she didn't mention any causes or intensity of her grief. Feel it? Plus, letter D could be opposite. He said, here, the bright stars. He says, what is the grief? Right here, we have here sore meant as crying. Curious, she mentioned this on positive. This means the letter D, it's conflicting, ambiguous feelings, not intensity of grief and reason. So letter C covers both of them. Catch it now? Do you hear me, Lee? Hello?
So yes, I do hear you.
Yeah, that is the point. So always find the claim and be careful about sometimes we have 2 points in the claim, not only one. So be careful about that. So find synonym language to help you. As we give you a main topic and they give us developments or statistics or evidence or any explanation. That's one. Let's try another one. Here to complete, therefore. Remember, as I told you, therefore, cause and effect. Focus on the last sentence.
Can it be A?
It can be A, but no, because it does not support it. He said presents one of the many undiscovered in the region. No, he mentioned that this plant is different from the others. It's located underground. So what could you expect? As he mentioned here, evolved to have underground traps to access more prey than wood surface traps. You feel it? This means this plant hosts few other plants and animals to be down underground, and then catch it. So we're talking about being underground to help the plant to catch the prey easily and quickly. We are not talking about absorbing moisture at all in the text, so not supported. That's why I tell you, therefore, cause and effect. Here is buried by nearby animals as they are, of course not. That's why. So I'm talking about the location now. So letter D. Let's try another one. Here it could be, why not? Justify the claim. Give reasons for the claim. Yeah, I see A, it's correct. 1,000 here approximately 500, and already from 1,000 in 2010. So this is just, so has fallen since 2010, correct? So I see it's letter A. Yes or no? Let's check letter B in 23. This is 1, but this is more than. It's not 100. This is could be. This is great. So letter B is on the graph. So letter B is correct again, but not related to the claim. Do you remember this trap? Something correct on the graph, but not related to the claim. So we need something related to the claim and at the same time on the graph, as he mentioned, from the graph. You catch it? Hello, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So letter A is the best. Now let's try the next. Therefore, again, come on, take your time. Now, did you catch an answer? What do you think? Hello, do you hear me?
Yes.
Come on, what do you think? Always focus on the question he said, therefore. So focus on the last sentence before the last one. What is exactly mentioned there? Delayed the initial formation. Means it delayed, means just like using time. Letter A is not supported in the text at all. If you have any comparison, this is one earlier, the other one. Of course not, it's not mentioned in the sentence. But look for the timing, for the delaying of the initial formation, as he mentioned, of the middle ring, played an important role in determining eventual size, as he said, causing oversized super Earth. To begin. So this is related to the conclusion. Here, if the formations occurred earlier, all the planets not supported in this sentence. For the text, by the way. And the same for letter D. Do you imagine it? So always focus on the preface sentence. Now is it clear? Hello. Hello. Now let's try the next. Do you find the answer?
Is it A?
And the letter A is the best answer. So when you find the claim quickly, support it. Correct. Let's try the poems. Give me an idea again. Now, what do you think?
I don't really know. Wait 1 second.
And let me help you. Always find evidence for the answer. Do you have anything to say the passage of time strengthens the relationship? He said, I wish I could remember. This means he didn't remember. This support is one. You see? He said, I wish I could remember first day, first hour, first moment. I'm not sure if bright or dim the season was. Could be summer, could be winter. It's unrecorded. I don't remember. So I was so blind. This means he cannot see anything. That would not blossom yet for, in a way, this supports the letter B. Yes or no? As he mentioned here again, she couldn't recall how the relationship began, which she regrets. Yes, that would not blossom yet for many days, for many men. You see? So dull to mark the burden of mine. This could support. So didn't you mention time strengthened or make the relationship strong? No, don't find information about conflicting. And here he in the beginning he didn't mention that he neglects the valuable relationship. But he was, yes, right at the end. See, but you're not neglecting. To the beginning, it's not supported. That's why. So we give you ideas not supported in the text. And imagine the lines as a paragraph. Look, we have semicolons, so it's one sentence. That's why. Now is it clear? It's understandable now. Did you find an answer? Yeah, is a voice?
Can A be the answer?
Letter A, I don't think so. Remember, look here for the hypothesized. Do we have anything about it? Family are found in terrace? No. He mentioned the plant depends on dissolving underlying rock with these acids. Look for that. The roots carve new entry points into rocks. So when they open points, they can release, absorb, even when cracks in the surface are readily available. That is means that when they carve a point, it means they get their food from the rocks through dissolving underlined with these acids. So this means here letter C is correct. You found it? Because when we have cracks in the surface, means the roots can be find a way. This could be related. For letter D, we give you idea not mentioned at all, talking about the thriving, adaptations, not supported. Here, the family are found in trends not supported in the hypothesis. Feel it? That's why supports the hypothesis. So find the hypothesis first and try to keep away from any idea not mentioned in the hypothesis. Feel it? That's right. So letter C, it's correct. Let's answer the last question and do it quickly. So it's evidence. Do you find the answer?
That's A.
No. But why didn't focus on the claim? Reflective desire to represent dances of local communities. What is any information about local communities here?
That's C.
So it must be letter C then. She mentioned here by ceremonial dance witnessed during her time performing research. So she had seen a dance when researching, so he tried to represent it. As he mentioned here among the people, so local communities. So letter C. We are not talking about intense physicality at all, not supported in the claim. So always be careful about the claim exactly, the main points, main ideas in the claim. This can help you because sometimes we give you an answers, ideas related to the topic general, but not in this text or